Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error connection close error in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to fix error connection close your in Chrome browser, and if you want to solve error, so very easy. First before you start, tap here CMD. After right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Tap here IP config space slash flush DNS. Click on enter and type here. After click on net sh space win shop space type here reset. Click on enter. Then it's successful reset the Windows catalog. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix error connection close error in Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.